Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to share and comment in Microsoft Lists. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to your Microsoft List link. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account using your Microsoft credentials. This ensures you have full access to all your lists and can manage sharing permissions properly. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see all your available lists displayed. Now, to share an entire list with others, locate the list you want to share and click on the three dots next to it. This will open a menu with several options. From this menu, select Share. This is the key step that allows you to control who can access and collaborate on your list. A sharing panel will now appear on your screen. Here, you'll see a field where you can input a name, group, or email address of the person or team you want to share the list with. Type in their information, and if you'd like, you can add a personal message to provide context about why you're sharing the list or what you'd like them to do with it. Once you've filled in these details, click Send to complete the sharing process. The recipients will receive a notification and can now access your list based on the permissions you've granted. Now, let's move on to sharing a specific row within your list. First, click on the list you want to work with to open it. Once inside, browse through your rows and select the specific row you want to share by clicking on it. With the row selected, look at the top toolbar and click the Share button. Just like before, a sharing panel will appear where you can input a name, group, or email address. Add a message if needed to give your recipient context about this particular row, then click Send. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to draw someone's attention to a specific item without sharing the entire list. Now let's talk about adding comments, which is essential for team collaboration. While you still have the row selected, look for the comment button in the toolbar and click on it. A comment field will appear where you can type your message directly. This is where things get even more collaborative. If you need to mention someone specifically to get their attention, simply type the @ symbol followed by their name or email address. Microsoft Lists will help you complete their information, making it quick and easy. Once you've typed your comment and mentioned anyone necessary, click the send icon to post it. This comment will now be visible to anyone with access to that row, and mentioned users will receive a notification. And that's it. You've now learned how to share entire lists, share specific rows, and add comments in Microsoft Lists to keep your team connected and informed. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.